Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and here on this channel I do everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please consider to subscribe and let's stay connected.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Today we're deep cleaning my laundry room. This is the before we start cleaning, and to be honest with you, I can't remember the last time I moved this washer and dryer and cleaned behind them. And I'm sure it's definitely so much needed. So if you're looking for some motivation to deep clean your laundry room, you are at the right place. Go ahead and give this video a like so YouTube can show this video to more people. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and let's get into it.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's about.
Don't look back. My mama always used to say you'll find another. Endless love is coming, I'll be sure of that. But it's so hard.
Because of the size of my laundry room, we had to take the door down so I can have more working space. And I'll go ahead and completely unhook the washer and move it into the hallway for the same reason. And if you need to unhook your washer, make sure your water is turned off. And that's what I'm doing right here. And I have this little bucket just in case there is still some water coming, so I can catch that.
It's so late to meet up, we are too far apart.
This is also my pre-summer cleaning, and I just needed to get this off my list before I start my actual summer cleaning. I was so surprised by how much dust were behind the washer and dryer. And after vacuuming, I'm gonna have my husband unhook the dryer vent for me so I can clean that. But before we start cleaning, let me show you how dirty this thing can get. So this is lint and debris that got built up here, and this is a serious fire hazard. Depending on the size of your household, this should be cleaned once a year, but if you have a bigger family, which means you use your washer and dryer more, you should get it cleaned once every 6 months. And if you can't get this done by yourself, you can get it professionally cleaned by hiring somebody that will get the job done for you. This is a dryer vent cleaner kit that helped me get the job done. I got it off of Amazon and I'm gonna link it in the description down below. Here I'm just showing you guys how I simply use it by just connecting it to my regular vacuum head.
You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I called you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy. I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? Oh, what about? Trust. How could I be so stupid when I got all the signs? I guess that is love. Now the red flags are lucid, and I know that I'll be fine. I guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy. I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? Oh, what about?
This is another really important part of your dryer to take care of, the dryer filter. So after removing all these lint, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this with soapy warm water and dry it before putting it back. And it should be emptied after each use. I've always struggled getting this part of my dryer cleaned, but this dryer vent cleaner kit did an amazing job. This is how it looks like before I start cleaning it, and I'll show you the after once I'm done.
Give me something new. I want it back, through and through. Just do it. I'll let you Got power over me. You lock me up, don't wanna leave. Music, the little things. Without you, don't mean a thing. My crime is being too good for you. I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you. My crime is being too good for you. I'm too good to 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 you. I'm too good.
I'm going to use the air fresh washing machine cleaner to clean this washer, but right now I'm just getting all the area the air fresh cannot clean.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark.